Most people stop when they're tired. But the great ones, they stop when they're done. This is the story of a man who learned that the last 1% is where everything changes. Alex Carter once dreamed of becoming a professional runner. He trained every morning before sunrise, chasing a dream that no one else believed in. But life has a way of testing dreams. Injury, rejection, failure again and again. One bad race, one torn ligament, and it all came crashing down. His sponsors left. His friends moved on, and the dream that once burned inside him began to fade into smoke. He started to believe he wasn't good enough. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. He stopped training, stopped dreaming. He started to think maybe life had already chosen its winner, and it wasn't him. But then something inside him whispered, "You didn't come this far to only come this far." So he started again. No audience, no coaches, no spotlight. Just one man against his own weakness, one man who refused to quit. Every morning he fought the voice that said, "Sleep in." Every night he fought the pain that said, "You've done enough." He learned that discipline beats motivation, because motivation fades. Discipline doesn't. Finally, after 2 long years, Alex got his second chance. The marathon, his redemption. But halfway through, his old injury came back. The pain was unbearable. The easy choice, quit. But he remembered something his coach once told him. Everyone gives 99%. The last 1%, that's where champions are born. So he ran. Every step screamed pain. Every breath felt like fire. But he didn't stop. Because he wasn't chasing victory, he was chasing his own limit. He didn't come in first. But for the first time in years, he won something far greater. He won himself back. Success isn't about being the best. It's about refusing to quit when you're at your worst. It's about giving one more try when the world says you can't. Because in that last 1%, that's where greatness lives. That's where you live. And that's where your story truly begins. So when life knocks you down, get up. When it hurts, push harder. When no one believes in you, believe in yourself twice as much. Because pain is temporary, but regret, that lasts forever. Don't stop at 99%. Finish the last 1%. That's where legends are made.